My name is Eugene from the Thedioramabuilder, and my background is special makeup for movies. I have done some promotion work also for The Walking Dead, and we did some fantasy movies in America. The corona hits, I was doing more prop making because you can send it to your customer, and then I start to build little movie scenes. First with my hand and clay and everything, and make some little molds and that kind of stuff. Then I get in contact with 3D printers, and that helps a lot. I met Creality on this year Comic-Con in June, and then Creality came and he saw our booth on the Comic-Con, and they thought, oh, that's very interesting. I also do Q&As, interviewing actors and famous people. We make a really big alien, but we make it so different than we used to, because we print it on the K2 Creality machine, and we sand it, we put putty on it and make it really smooth, and then we paint it. You can see a lot of projects what we have done already, and that's only in 4 months what we already have done with the machines from Creality. So it helps a lot. We can build quickly, more faster. We use the CFS, but we only use one color. You know, when the filament is empty, it goes directly to the other filament. So we don't have to watch, oh, the filament is empty, we have to change. No, it's just running, and you know, the next day you come and your print is ready. To be honest, I always work with resin printers, and this is the first time when we did the cooperation with Creality. I'm a fast learner. I think I already do stuff what other people doesn't do, and yeah, it helps me a lot, because I put the new projects what I do now for 5 months with Creality. I got so many questions every day from all over the world about what kind of printer I use, and yeah, now I can say I use the Creality printers, and then they ask more questions, how it works, you know, how the CFS works, but yeah. It's a completely new thing for me, and I'm glad that I can help people all around the world. So yeah, that's cool.